If you spend hours and hours on Google trying to figure out how to make money online and ended up feeling more confused than when you started, I want you to know you're not alone. I've been there so many times, spending days or even weeks on researching just to end up feeling overwhelmed and not starting. So in this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to actually get started. No scams, no MLM, just real practical steps that have helped me make money online the past couple years. If you're new here, my name is Dian. I used to practice medicine before I decided to switch my career path and actually try something that is completely different. Throughout the past couple years, I've been working remotely, making money online with digital marketing and content creation that has allowed me to travel full time, and I'm even making more than I used to make. On my YouTube channel, I share about my life as a digital nomad traveling the world. I'm sharing practical travel tips and how you can start making money online so you will have the location flexibility. But let's address the elephant in the room. There's so many videos and courses talking about how to make money online. And honestly, after purchasing some courses and watching tons of videos, some of them are questionable. I've seen some people try one of those popular digital marketing course, the kind where you buy a course and you try to resell them to other people to make money. And personally, I just don't feel aligned with that. A good course should be teaching you the practical tips and skills on how you can make money online, not the MLM business model when you only make money if someone purchased the course from you. So please, before you buy anything, do your research. Trust the person, trust the brand, look for proof. But now that this mini rant is over, let's get to the actual plan. A lot of people not starting even after doing tons of research and even buying courses. A lot of time is because when you go to Google and you type how to make money online, you get hit with 500 different strategies. Courses, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, digital product, and your brain doesn't know where to start, so it freezes. And the deeper you go down the rabbit hole, the more overwhelmed you'll feel. So here's what we're going to do instead, and I need you to take out your pen and your notebook. This is the free step plan to actually start making money online this year. Step 1, I want you to pick just one income stream. Not 3, not 5, not even 2, just one. And from my personal experience, here are the 3 beginner-friendly options that actually work. First one is selling digital product. This is honestly one of my favorite ways to make money online because it has a low startup cost. You can create a digital product with almost zero cost and high scalability. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it multiple times without investing more time to create the same product every time someone purchases your digital product. So digital product can be things like planners, trackers, social media template, Notion dashboard are selling really well nowadays, guides, workbooks, digital art, and the options are endless. Now I know some of you might be thinking, but I don't have an audience. Who's gonna buy my product if no one knows me? But here's the truth. You don't always need audience, but you need demand. Instead of trying to grow your audience first, you can simply sell your products on platforms where people are already looking for or buying from. Platforms like Etsy or Awegmented. So Awegmented is a platform that I recently found, and it's where people go specifically to discover and buy interactive guided digital experiences. So things like city guides, travel recommendations, itineraries, self-guided tour, and curated experience. So if you have a knowledge about a city, recommendations for foods, cafe, or hidden gems, travel itineraries, or local tips, you can package that into a digital experience and list it on Awegmented, where people are already looking exactly for that. I personally already have one of my guided tour there where I share about one of my favorite city, which is Chiang Mai. So if you're interested to check it out, I will leave the link in the description box below. Next beginner-friendly options that you can do is to use the skills that you already have and find clients online. Instead of learning something completely new, you can start to monetize the skills that you already have. A lot of people actually underestimate how valuable the current skills that they already have. So you can ask yourself what type of skills that you can offer as a service. To give you a couple ideas, it can be teaching or tutoring online, virtual assistant, social media management, video editing, graphic design, translating, customer support, or sales. And you can use freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Probably if you want to teach language online, this is one of the fastest way to start making money online because you're not waiting for months to grow traffic or build audience. So think about it as skill, platform, client, and payment. Last but not least is content creation. Of course, I have to mention this because content creation has completely changed my life. And I still want to spread the news that you don't need tons of followers to start making money with content creation. I started making money with content creation with only 3,000 followers. So with content creations, there's a couple different ways where you can monetize. For example, brand deals, digital products, affiliate income, sponsorship, or depending on what type of content you create, you can also offer a one-on-one mentorship. But I do want to be very honest here. This path required consistency. It wasn't an overnight success for me, and it's not instant results. But like what I mentioned before, even with a small amount of followers, there are a couple ways where you can start monetizing your platforms or your channels. Honestly, this was a thing that I accidentally discovered. And I taught this to my students in Creatorpreneur Academy, which is a step-by-step guidance, structure, and clear plan for people who want to start making money with content creation. I made this course for people who don't know how to start from zero to make money through content creation without being an influencer, and how to turn your ideas and your creativity into income. It also includes a one-on-one guidance from me. So my students are not doing this alone, and this is something that I wish I had when I first started. Everything is broken down into a very simple, beginner-friendly way. So if one of your goals this year is to start making money with content creation, I will leave the link down below so you can check out the Creatorpreneur Academy. Now that we have picked one thing to focus on, step 2 is to do the 30-day learn, do sprint. This is honestly where most people get stuck. We stay in learning mode forever. We buy courses, we save videos, we bookmark tutorials, and it feels productive. But deep down, we know we're actually not moving forward. Because I do understand that starting something is scary, but we're gonna change that. So here's what I want you to try instead. Start 80% doing and 20% learning. For the next 30 days, your only job is to create, publish, try, messed up, and adjust. Don't have the expectation to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start messy. I promise once you take the first step, the second step becomes easier. So this can look very different depending on what type of thing you want to focus on. If you want to start doing content creation, then it will be you gathering some inspiration from other creators. Dedicate a day to script or to create your own content. Dedicate another day to edit or create captions. And set a deadline on when you have to post. Last but not least, I want you to focus on the small wins. Most people quit because they don't see money right away. And that is completely normal. I think you need to track small progress that actually move the needles because those small wins build momentum. For example, if you're starting social media, this could be posting your first content, showing your face on camera, uploading consistently for a month, or receiving your first DM outreach. All of these small things actually matter because they are proof that you are actually moving forward. And these tiny wins make it easier to stay motivated and consistent. Anyway, this is the year where we're gonna put everything we learned into action and start moving the needle forward. But that's it for this video. I hope it gives you more clarity and structured plan on how to execute your goal to start making money online this year. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!